Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another amazing landscape transformation. And what we've been able to do for this customer on this landscape is absolutely amazing because we've given them back their landscape. Now, we started by being able to prune this tree up so that we can bring in this beautiful Zeon Zorja sod, but we didn't stop there. I went with the two-tier river rock border all the way throughout this entire landscape, saving this customer tens of thousands of dollars by not having to use a retaining wall in order to prevent any erosion from happening on this landscape. Now they have the beautiful design that I've come up with that's absolutely going to last a lifetime, backed by a warranty, which also is going to make sure that their foundation never finds itself deteriorating either. But let me take you to the other side of the landscape. Now check out what we did on this side of the landscape. As you can see, we went with that beautiful river rock design as well, but then I took this area that was a muddy mess and I brought in the beautiful decorative gravel and the erosion control fabric along with these steppers, making this a natural area, but more importantly, being able to deal with this side of the landscape from the neighbor's yard that had a tremendous amount of erosion. So these are just some of the ways that we're giving our customers back their landscape in an exceptional fashion. It's the reason we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. Now, if you're looking for your own outdoor landscape transformation, look no further than the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We've been solving customers' landscape drainage problems for over a decade now, and we'd love to provide you with a free quote. Simply click the link below to learn more. That's it, buddy.
Photo.
Beautiful. Huh?
Set for today, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Very beautiful, buddy. I'm gonna stick around. I'll meet with the customer.
When you come back, you can knock the door.
I'm gonna be here. I'm about to do that now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
she left?
Yeah, she left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will catch her. I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna leave a sign too, so
Okay.
she'll be able to see the sign. But I'm gonna knock her door and that door
Yeah.
and try to do them both at the same
That's
time.
great.
Would you do them at?